Hey guys, it's Jamie here again with my indicator, the Binary Destroyer. Today is the 25th of October. It's a Wednesday and it's a training day in our VIP group. So I wanted to do a video today, but something a little different. So I want to do some live trading, some binary options, and I want to show you guys how the indicator works, the destroyer, and also I want to explain why I'm taking the trade so the guys in the VIP group can also learn and see why I'm taking these trades. So I've got the indicator loaded up here, and the only thing I've added into the destroyer is our zigzag indicator, okay, which is custom with MT4. This is something we're talking about in the VIP group. It's a bit of homework we're doing this week, and we're all trading with it, and it just helps to spot certain patterns and the way the price moves, spotting high and lows and that sort of thing. So I've currently got the indicator loaded up, and I'm generally just having a look at the market and just how it's behaving. Really, I can see on AUD CAD the market isn't really going anywhere. We had this massive spike up there, and then since then it's just gone sideways. So I'm going to be leaving that pair. USD Chef, okay, you can see a little tick here. I actually took this trade earlier, okay, and the reason why I took this trade earlier, okay, is we can see a nice little support line here, okay. Now a lot of you guys, okay, that aren't in the VIP group won't understand why I took this trade, but everybody in the VIP group will understand why I took this trade. So I took this trade on this signal arrow here for a 15-minute trade, and it was a nice win, okay, went deep into the money, okay, but you can see why I took it. Nice zigzag pattern forming there, okay. So hopefully I'm going to be looking for them sort of patterns there. So that was USD Chef. What can I see? We're in a nice downtrend. USD CAD, what's that saying? Again, nothing really. In the VIP group yesterday I was talking about, I took a trade on USD CAD, okay, and also took a trade on AUD CAD in the opposite direction. Okay, can you see exactly what I mean about USD CAD? Massive spike up, then goes flat. AUD CAD, massive spike up, then goes flat. They're pretty much in working with one another. You know, they're pretty. You wouldn't even tell the difference. Hold on, well, let me load up USD CAD again. But can you see that? Massive spike up and then it just goes flat. Oh, sorry about that. My computer side is going to freeze. So USD, Euro USD, what can I see on there? Not a lot really. Again, that's going sideways. AUD USD, what's that telling me? Okay, I'm liking this at the minute. Okay, we've got a nice downtrend and the price is in the top bands here. Okay, can you see that with a nice downtrend? So I'm going to move that currency pair because I'm interested in that. That's a currency pair that I'm looking to trade. Okay, GPUSD, what's that saying? Not a lot really. It's kind of big spiky movements. Again, I'm not interested in that. AUD Chef, not. It's in a downtrend. USD JPY. What's that saying? Okay, that looks nice. We've got big movement there. So I'm writing down here the two currency pairs, okay, that I'm looking to trade. That's USD JPY and what was the other one? It was AUD USD. Okay, So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to pause the video and I'm going to wait for some setups to happen, and then I'll jump back into some live trading and I can explain to you why I'm taking some trades. Hi guys, right, I'm going to jump into one trade now. That's AUD USD. Okay, let me load up my does it give me on this? I'm doing all this. It does. AUD, hold on, AUD USD. Let's put 500 quid on it. This is all on demo because I like trading demo just when I'm doing live trading on for my videos. AUD USD, I'm in. Okay, and I explained to you why I took this trade. Now, for you that aren't in the VIP group, you won't understand why I took it, because it's a bit different to the binary destroyer rules. Okay, but simple reason why I'm explaining this to now from the VIP group side of things. When my computer stops freezing again, right, so my computer keeps freezing. Right, so the reason why I took this, we can see we are in a nice downtrend. You can see that, and then the price went into the sell zone. Okay, it didn't touch it, it went in it. Okay, and we had massive rejections from that point. Okay, can you see that? Massive rejections. And then we had a nice bearish candle, we had a pullback, and then the price dropped again. Okay, and the RSI was telling us the same thing, it was overbought. Can you see that? And we had a nice signal arrow there. Okay, but it made that nice pattern here. Can you see that? It made a higher low. Okay, see how the price, we had this massive bullish move. Okay, got rejected from the sell zone, it dropped, and then we had a massive push up again but failed, and then now it made a higher low and it's dropping. Okay, so I entered around here for a 15-minute trade, which should hopefully take us to the bottom of the sell zones. Okay, so hopefully, you know, that's our first trade in. You know, I'm pretty confident it's going to be a winner. Okay, because I can see how the price just rejected straight off that sell zone. Okay, signal arrow appeared as well. So to me, you know, and the RSI is telling me the same thing. So to me, that's a good trade. It's meeting all the rules, and like I've been explaining all week about the homework, you know, that are set about spotting these sort of patterns here when you get a high and a low and a low and a high. Okay, and you can see now how the price is just being rejected all the way down. So the price will probably come into this sell zone here and it will start rejecting. So that's why I take a 15-minute trade, just to give us enough time for the trade to be in the money and give us a nice winner. We can see already, you know, it's dropped loads. I mean, look, it's still dropping there again. So yeah, that's the first trade in, and I've been trading, the video has been 8 minutes. So, you know, that's our first trade, 8 minutes in. What else was I looking at on my notepad? USD JPY. Okay, why was I looking at this pair? I can't remember why I was looking at this pair. At the minute, nothing's happening. Okay, I can see the price now. Can you see how the price is going into that sell zone there? Okay, now I'm going to watch this pair and see what it does. Does it go straight through the sell zone, or does it start getting rejected? If you zoom in now, okay, you'll see the price will touch that sell zone and then it will start going down. But you need to start waiting for a red signal arrow before you take a trade down. Okay, so we can see the price has touched that sell zone now, and it will probably start rejecting. But like I said, you know, two things are going to happen here. The price is either going to drop down or shoot up. Okay, look, you see how this nice pattern here? Again, to the guys that aren't in the VIP group, you won't understand these sort of trades. But we can see, look, you see how this nice pattern here? Trade the second leg, 15-minute trade, win. You would have won that as well. So I'm just watching USD JPY, and you're seeing how it's starting to reject from that sell zone. What's our trade doing on AUSD? See dropping there? You see how it's dropping nicely now? Like I said, if you're going to take these sort of setups with the binary destroyer, you want to take either a 5-minute trade or a 15-minute trade. Okay, that's it. Okay, you don't want to be taking any more, because you want to be trading from the top of the price bands to the bottom of the price bands, okay, which is about 15 minutes. So I say either 5 minutes or 15-minute trades. You can take both of them if you want. Both of them will be a winner. So USD JPY, what's that telling me now? Yep, see how it's starting to reject straight away from that sell zone, okay? Now, I'm waiting for two things to happen now, okay? Either that price, okay, is going to go all the way down here, or it's going to go about halfway here and then carry on going back up, okay? But I don't know until that price does that, okay? So I'm waiting to see what the price does. This is what I'm trying to explain to you guys, is always trade the second leg. Wait for the price to either make a higher low or a lower high. Okay, if we go back to our boxes that we were talking about as well, you see how that there, okay, is our high. And hold on, where's my other box? Okay, and you see how we got another there? So that box there is higher than that box, so it's telling me it's making higher highs. And again, there you see, there's our high. You see how the price came up, created a high, pulled back, went up again, made a higher high, pulled back, and then now it made a higher high. But now I'm waiting for the price to make its move now, because technically the price will carry on shooting back up, but we don't know. Okay, so like I said, I'm waiting for the price to make its move, and then we'll take a trade. Like here, AUD CAD, you see how we had a higher high there, then we made a higher high there, and then we pulled back and we made a higher high there. But then look at this. This wasn't a higher high, this was a higher low, which telling me we're going down. You know, so that's why I jumped into the trade there. Okay. But obviously you guys won't understand this, it's only for VIP group members only. But I just wanted to explain to you how, you know, how we sort of teach people and how, you know, how the destroyer works. So like I said, you know, we're looking to take a 15-minute trade there. You see how the price is rejecting now straight away from that EMA. Because like I said, when the price is above the EMA, price goes up. When the price is below the EMA, it's going down. So we can see how the price is rejecting straight from that EMA. Because what we've got now is we've got there's your higher high. Price came down, made a higher low, pulled down again, and now we got you know, pull down, and then we've got a pull back here, okay, and it's making a higher low again, and then the price will probably carry on heading down towards this area here. Okay, but like I was saying, you want to be getting in on the higher highs and higher lows. See the nice pattern here? So our trade is just over halfway, and we are currently deep in the money. Okay, so hopefully that will be a winner if I can see any other trades, and we can take them. Again, you see USD CAD is going sideways. You know, there's nothing happening there. It's not even worth trading. USD Chef is going down. Okay, so I don't want to be taking call trades to go up. I want to be taking put trades. Okay, you see here? See how a nice M shape here? and then it dropped, trade the second leg, you would have got in here for a 15-minute trade and you would have won that. But I don't want to be taking call trades on this currency pair because the market's going down. So you know, you want to always be trading with the market. Euro USD, don't like that. It's if you kind of look at it, it's going sideways. Okay, there's no real movement. Okay. AUD USD, we're in that pair, so we've currently got a trade running. GP USD. Okay, you see again, price is in the buy sell zone. Okay, it's in it, and we had a massive rejection area. It's oversold, bought on the RSI, and now the price has pulled down. Okay, so now what I'm looking for is a higher low again. Okay, so I'm waiting for the price to come up to about this area here, and then I'll take a trade down. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw my little support line here, and if the price, okay, can you see what I'm saying here? You see how price shot all the way up here, made a higher low, and now it's pulled back. Now I'm waiting for the price to make its move now. Okay, it's either going to shoot back up here or it's going to carry on all the way down here. I don't know, so I'm going to wait on this pair to see what it does. But we can see AUD is dropped nicely. Can you see what I was saying? How it price pulled back down here, pulled back, rejected straight off that EMA, and then now it's dropping again, and it's going to keep dropping until it hits that buy zone there. So you know, we can safely say that our first trade is deep into the money. I got in at 7698. It's now 7694, 7648. So you know, that one's a nice winner. So GP USD, okay, this is another trade, another currency pair that I'm looking at. So I'm just going to sit and wait now and see what that price does. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to come back in 5 minutes. I'm going to see what happens. So as we can see, AUD just came into the money. Gives me a 5-0 running streak so far, because I made a couple of videos yesterday for the VIP group. So yeah, what was he looking at? GP USD. Okay, now what can I see? Price has now pulled back. Okay, and now we're pulled down, and we're now in a pullback. Can you see this? The price is now pulling back. Hold on, when my computer freezes again. But we can see how the price is pulled down. We've got a pullback, and now I'm looking to get into my entry. Okay, you can see this now. Okay, this is as it happens. Okay, now everybody in the VIP group will see what I'm on about, but you know, you guys they're watching this on YouTube might not. So going down, we've got a pullback. Now I'm waiting for the price to do two things: start reversing and I'll get in, or it's going to carry on shooting up. But if that price there breaks this support resistance line here, I'm not going to take the trade. Okay, because it's making higher highs. Okay, so I'm watching it now. What can I see? I can see these big rejection candles here, but the price is carry on shooting up. So let me just load up GP USD, and I'm going to put this side by side so we can just get a perfect execution. Okay, so GP USD is loaded up now. Okay, so I'm waiting now. Okay, you see how the price was below the EMA, and which, like I said, if the price is below the EMA, the price is going down. But the price is shooting up. Okay, so I'm just going to be patient now. I'm going to sit and wait and see what happens. You know, this video is going on for 20 minutes now. I've already got one trade in, so hopefully I can get another trade in and that'll be trading done. And like I said to you, yeah, again, you know, don't overcomplicate trading, just keep it simple. You see how we got this nice red candle here now? Let's see if I am getting in. So I'm ready to execute. What can I see is happening? Can you see what I mean about the price is pulled down? We've got a pullback, and hopefully now that price is going to shoot off down here somewhere. Okay, that is what I'd like it to do. Okay, if it carries on going up, I might leave the trade. Okay, but if it carries on shooting down, you see here now we've got a signal arrow going up. Okay, so at the minute this is not a trade for me. Okay, the price needs to go down. If it carries on going higher, I'm going to leave this. But we'll just sit and wait and we'll see what happens, and hopefully it does start reversing and I can take a trade going down. Now we've got a big red candle here, signal arrow has disappeared, so it could be good. And like I said, if a signal arrow does appear, you have to wait for the candle to close for the signal arrow to stay and for you guys to take a trade. Because we can see how we had an arrow going up, but then the price has suddenly started going down, which means the destroyer is telling you the price isn't going up, it's going down. Okay. Okay. What I need now is that price to break that EMA. Okay, and I'm in. Okay, I'm in. Okay, because we can see. Okay, let me try and get rid of this. Okay, and let's just get rid of the destroyer. Okay, and I'll show you some naked price action. Okay, so what can I see? The price pulled up. Okay, we can see that the price has pulled up there. Okay, and then it pulled down, and then it pulled back up, and now the price is likely to come down here. Okay, that's what I'd like it to do. Okay, it might not, it might carry on going up, but I'm pretty confident when I load the destroyer up like this. 1 minute. Here we go. Here we go. You see how we got a nice drop now? So you can see how when you load the destroyer up, it all starts making sense why I took it. Okay, and then when you add that, we had that zigzag I was talking about. You add it in, and you can see. Look, you can see the pullback now. Okay, price is pulled up, gone down, pulled back, made a higher low again. You see that, how it's made a higher low, the price is dropping again, and we're going back into the money. So that trade there, okay, we'll look to head down there again. Okay, you can see that how the price will likely go to this buy zone here, but listen to what I say. Okay, always trade the higher lows or these shapes here. Okay, price came up, I'll explain it again to you. Price came up, bounced off the sell zone, dropped, signal arrow appeared, dropped down. Okay, we waited for the price to make its move, which was a higher low, because it made a higher low there, and then there's our entry, we got in. So yeah, you know, I'm currently in the money there. I'll leave the trade for 5-10 minutes. I'll come back and I'll end the video because I want to crack on with some emails and talk about our new news as well, which I'm going to be talking to you guys in the VIP group. So yeah, I'll come back in 5 minutes. I'll give the trade 10 minutes to go into the money, and I will come back. Hey guys, so it's been about 8 minutes now, and the price is dropping. It's dropping nicely. You know, nearly halfway to go. I'm just going to leave the video here because I've got to crack on with some emails and just talking about other stuff in the VIP group. So I'm going to leave that there. You see it drop out the money back into the money. So I'm going to leave that there. You know, you're welcome to join the Facebook group, or you have any questions. Yeah, just ask away, or you can drop me an email, thebinarydestroyer@gmail.com. We are currently updating our website and payment system, so hopefully I'll be able to give you some more news on that at the end of this week. So yeah, thank you for watching. Hey guys, right, I just wanted to show you that trade finished. Okay, we can see that it dropped nicely into the money, and I think it's still running. Yeah, GPUSD, I've got 4 minutes to go, and we can see, if I look on it now, massive. I got there at 32582 and it's now 32462, and it's still dropping. So yeah, you can see exactly why I took this trade. Made a high low, pulled back, dropped. Okay, and it looks like the price is going to start shooting up again. So yeah, that's why I just wanted to add this in, so you can see both them trades come into the money. That will give me 1 2 3 4 5 6 nil. Okay, well 7 nil. I actually took previous one on my live account, so 7 nil. You know, 6 on demo, 1 live earlier, and I did 2 nil yesterday on my live account as well. So you know, for me, I'm on 100% success ratio this week. Yes, I'm happy with that. Yeah, I'll leave that there. Like I said, drop me an email, thebinarydestroyer@gmail.com. Thank you.